Here's our little house. And all that brush. Wow, look at this. Sweet. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, he caught me. I know I said I wasn't going to sharpen his chain, but turns out I needed it today. Yeah, I need that chainsaw. I cut all that brush off the side of my front porch. That's just one side of it. I still got the other side to do. Obviously, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Here's our little house. And all that brush. Wow, look at this. Sweet. Anyway, as I was saying, here's our little house. And all that brush was on the corner, similar to that, except over here. And now it looks naked. It was all growing up on the porch, and when you walk by, it would whip you in the face, just trying to get in and out the door. The landlady had mentioned that she would like for it to be gone. So, it's gone. I'll have to tackle all that another day. I just don't have it in me today. I don't got the wants to. Alright. First things first. I bought a new blade. My job saw yesterday while I was out at the store. And, a 14-inch. This is a 12-inch is what they had. They had that or a 20-inch. But anyway, I'm gonna put that on there. I wanted to make sure I had the arbor size right because I wasn't sure. It's been a while since I did this, and yeah, it looks the same. The trick is you gotta hold this button in to lock the bolt while you put it together. Anyway, that just slips on there. This cover goes on there. Hold on. Push that button. Tighten her up. Alright, that's that for that. Now we get back to the project at hand. Okay. Love that little thing. You may see that over there in a corner too. Oh, what's that? What the hell is that? Oh shit. You all know what that is. Yeah, we got things brewing. Big secret project coming up one of these days. Ever get caught up with all this other little crap.